Hello everyone, thank you for following my civil channel. Today on the AutoCAD series, I'm going to talk about how to add the image correctly. Why correctly? Because lots of people, they make a video how to add the image, but when you redo it and you delete the photo or you send it to someone else, it will disappear. We'll go together and I will show you how and how to resolve the problem. So you have three ways to add the image. Either the easiest way, just to drag it and put it in. The other way, to go to the ribbon, home, insert, then attach. Or you can type easily the short key of IMA. And then I want to attach this one. Just press on it. You have insertion point, as you know before. We will make it specify on a screen. You can give it coordinate as well, a scale also, and the rotation. Okay, I specify it to be here. Then the scale will be 1, rotation will be 0. Okay, this is the photo which I wanted to attach. Everything is fine so far. Let me save it. I will save this file as a drawing 6 on a desktop. Okay, let me close it. And then I will erase the photo which is related to that one. Now let's open the drawing 6. Let's see what the photo is there or not. As you can see, the photo is not being shown. This is the main problem which all of us have it. So what's the solution? Let's again restore it. We restore the photo. I want to work on the same photo so you can know about it. Just open a paint. Everyone has a paint. Just open a paint application, and then from here just drag the photo here. Then basically go on select and do select all. Then copy it. Then again go to the AutoCAD file, drag it on the same place. Just type paste spec, PASTESPEC, paste spec. The paste spec, leave it as what is it. Just press OK. Then from here I want to put the photo here. That's it. This is not our photo. Again, we will save it. The drawing 7. Let's see what will happen if we erase this one. Okay, let's close it, this one again. And then we will go closing the paint. I want to close, also erase that photo, related photo. So I will open the drawing 7. Okay, as you can see, now the photo has been here. So whatever you do, you erase it, delete it, or you send it to someone else. By this way, you can have your photo to be there. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.